is for apple. A is for ant. A is for airplane. B is for ball. B is for bat. B is for butterfly. C is for cat. C is for car. C is for carrot. D is for dog, a bouncy little puppy. D is for duck, swimming in the pond. D is for dragonfly, soaring high above. E is for elephant. E is for egg. E is for eagle. F is for fish. F is for flower. F is for frog. G is for goat. G is for guitar. G is for giraffe. H is for hen. H is for house. H is for horse. H, H! I is for ice cream. I is for igloo. I is for insect. J is for jug. J is for jet. J is for jacket. K is for kite. K is for king. K is for kangaroo. Let us learn with the letter K. L is for lion. L is for lamp. L is for lizard. Let us learn with the letter L. M is for monkey. M is for mushroom. M is for mouse. N is for nest. N is for nuts. N is for nurse. Let's learn them all. O is for owl. O is for orange. O is for octopus. Everybody say yay!
Yay! Go letter O!
P is for parrot. P is for pumpkin. P is for penguin.
Letter P!
Q is for queen. Q is for quail. Q is for quiet.
Letter P!
R is for rabbit. R is for rose. R is for radish.
Letter P!
S is for sun. S is for shark. S is for strawberry.
Letter P!
T is for train. T is for tiger. T is for tortoise.
T!
U is for umbrella. U is for unicorn. U is for uniform.
Yay!
V is for van. V is for vulture. V is for vegetables. W is for watch. W is for wolf. W is for whale.
Watch! Wolf! Whale!
X is for Xmas tree. X is for X-ray. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yellow. Z is for zebra. Z is for zero. Z is for zoo.
Zebra! Zero! Zoo!